Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a delicious, weight loss supplement drink powder that optimizes digestion using high-quality ingredients directly from the islands of Japan. Formulated by Mike Banner, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement utilizes a two-pronged approach by supplying a powerful antioxidant formula that effectively fights free radicals and supports a healthy inflammation response for optimal defense, but also goes on the attack and boosts the digestive system's efficiency as well as boosting all-day energy levels. The Japanese island-derived flat belly tonic recipe promotes life-changing results, and references nearly 20 different, independently reviewed studies citing the effectiveness of each ingredient in this top-selling weight loss powder formula. But when reviewing the ancient Japan-oriented weight loss tonic, there are many important details to cover to fully grasp everything Mike Banner and his qualified team of supplement formulators in this unique Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. But stepping back for a moment from Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review, it is easy to underestimate the importance of losing weight. Obese Americans are susceptible to a number of different serious diseases and comorbidities. For example, people with extremely high BMIs are far more likely than their healthy peers to develop heart disease, which is a leading cause of death in the United States. Improving your weight can also help to maximize your overall quality of life. Obese people are likely to experience a loss of mobility, which can impact daily life. But losing weight is more difficult than some people may lead us to believe. For quite a while, the conventional wisdom has been that creating a consistent caloric deficit is the only way to guarantee weight loss. If you burn around 3,500 calories per week, you'll lose 1 pound. Working out and eating right is one way to secure this key deficit. But anyone who's tried to lose weight knows that things aren't quite so easy. Every year, millions of people all over the world try to lose weight, and fail miserably. Traditional medical wisdom may lead you to believe that this is because those people simply weren't trying hard enough. Were they not eating the right foods, or were they eating far too much? Perhaps they had abandoned their workout routines before seeing any real process. But the reality is that the success of a weight loss program may hinge on another, often hidden factor that the caloric deficit view of weight loss neglects to consider: the metabolism. Scientists have known for over a century that the body's metabolism may play a role in how many calories an individual burns each day. In the 21st century, a growing body of research has been dedicated to exploring how metabolism impacts our weight loss efforts. Boosting your metabolism is a complex process. Traditional medical research provides few clear-cut ways for people to improve the metabolic processes that underscore daily life. This is one place where the supplement industry might be able to help in a way that Big Pharma can't. Thousands of new supplements claim to help people improve their metabolism. It can be hard to cut through the hype and figure out which of these supplements can actually help you lose weight. Today, we're exploring some of the most important facts about Flat Belly Tonic. According to the supplement's website, the product is a powerful new formula, capable of helping people lose weight quicker and healthier. This review will outline everything you need to know about Flat Belly Tonic. Is it legit, or is it one of the hundreds of scams in the supplement industry today? Find out everything you need to learn about Flat Belly Tonic in today's comprehensive review. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss supplement. It helps men and women burn fat fast using Japanese tonic. It claims to help people to enjoy healthier digestion while supporting their metabolism. In doing so, this supplement might have the capacity to help you to lose weight much faster than you've been able to with diet and exercise alone. We appreciate this dual-pronged approach to improving weight loss. Digestive strength and metabolic efficiency are two of the most important factors in weight loss, aside from classic techniques like caloric intake and regular exercise. The supplement uses a variety of antioxidants, which have been known to help people better digest their food to burn calories at a higher rate. The supplement derails other formulas, which are often tough to take and require you to swallow several capsules every day. For Flat Belly Tonic, however, using the supplement is just a matter of mixing it with water. The result? A drinkable tonic which goes down smoothly and helps users to maintain higher energy levels while shedding weight consistently. 4 main factors that underscore the design of their patented formula. Metabolism. The metabolism-boosting qualities of a weight loss supplement are very important. The creators of this formula claim that it supports the metabolism by increasing fat oxidation within the body. Energize. The antioxidant ingredients in Flat Belly Tonic help to increase energy levels in users, the supplement's creators claim. Higher energy levels can help consumers to work out more effectively and more often, which can further help weight loss efforts. Digestion. Digestive enzymes are key to the success of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic formula. The supplement's key ingredients can help to improve gut health and digestion. It should come as no surprise that digestive health is essential to weight loss. Safe and natural. Many supplements claim that their product is completely natural and safe, and Flat Belly Tonic makes this one of their top concerns. This supplement is created in an FDA-approved facility, and it only uses natural ingredients. One important aspect of this supplement is that it combines energy-boosting ingredients with an antioxidant-filled formula. This might improve your efforts to lose weight on two different fronts. On one end, the Flat Belly Tonic is capable of improving digestive health and metabolic strength, two things that can seriously improve caloric burn throughout the day. On the flip side, higher energy levels can maximize the effectiveness of workouts and exercise. This dual-pronged approach to weight loss is certainly impressive. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic ingredients? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic claims the tonic is 100% organic, natural, and GMO-free, including a variety of herbs, plants, and berries, which makes the tonic vegetarian. We have classified ingredients based on their main metabolic properties and antioxidant ingredients. The first section contains central metabolic ingredients to help boost the base metabolic rate to burn fat. These ingredients are EGCG. EGCG is a compound that helps you by reducing inflammation, aiding weight loss, and preventing chronic diseases. Commonly, it's found in green tea and in other plant foods. To burn fat, it can mobilize fat from fat cells and move it into your bloodstream. EGCG can also aid this process by boosting the effects of some fat-burning hormones, such as norepinephrine. EGCG can help inhibit an enzyme that breaks down the hormone norepinephrine, and when this enzyme is inhibited, the amount of norepinephrine increases, promoting fat breakdown. In short, it breaks down all your fat cells into more fat, which is released into the bloodstream for use as energy by cells like muscle cells. Piperine. It is a storehouse of health benefits, and effective weight loss and metabolism is one of them. Piperine is a compound commonly found in black pepper that enhances metabolic performance and suppresses fat accumulation in the body. This works very well in managing obesity and also helps in the absorption of nutrients in the body. It helps strengthen immunity and fight against infections. The piperine helps secrete more hydrochloric acid that helps to digest proteins in food. Inulin. Inulin is a prebiotic fiber and has linked it to several health benefits such as improving digestive health, helping control diabetes, and aiding weight loss. It may benefit your gut health, and some manufacturers add it to processed foods. Several studies found that inulin can also help with weight loss. Consuming inulin reduces the calories intake in children with overweight or obesity. Hibiscus Sabdarifa. It is a red flower found in Okinawa and is also known as a delicate flower. The flower accelerates the overall fat loss effect. The flower is packed with antioxidants, and this helps fight against compounds that damage your cells. It helps to lower blood pressure and blood fat levels. Antioxidant fruits. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells against free radicals. Some naturally occurring antioxidants are flavonoids, tannins, phenols, and lignans. Plant-based foods like fruits and vegetables are the best source of antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables high in antioxidants are also high in fiber, low in saturated fat and cholesterol, and good sources of vitamins and minerals. They support quick fat burning, boost your energy, immunity, and digestion. Aronia berry. Aronia berries are small little black berries that are widely available all over the world. It triggers weight loss and is considered as an ideal food. Aronia is especially rich in vitamin C, which reduces inflammation all over the body and enhances the efficient functioning of your metabolism. It is a natural diuretic that prevents weight gain due to bloating. This type of berry is very high in fiber, which helps in cleansing of fat and waste from the intestines and prevents bloating. The natural acids present in it help prevent sugar swings and diabetes. Acai berry. Acai berries boosts a healthy way of losing weight and it has no side effects. They are purple-colored berry that contain high level of antioxidants when compared to any other food items. It also contains generous amounts of fiber, vitamins, minerals, unsaturated fats such as omega-3, 6, and 9. The most important feature of acai berry is that it has appetite suppression qualities and is rich in fiber and also has an impact on the digestive system. It helps to process food better and burn fat more efficiently, making it easier to lose weight. Mulberry. Mulberry aids weight loss by activating brown fat and boosting metabolism. It has many other health benefits including reduced cholesterol, improved blood sugar levels, and lower risk of cancer. The substance called rutin present in mulberry increases the level of fat burning in your body. Momordica charantia. It makes an excellent addition to weight loss diet as it is low in calories and high in fiber. It also helps to maintain healthy blood sugar levels and decreases fat in the midsection. These are the traditional ingredients that make Okinawas the strongest, leanest and healthiest people on the planet. Now they are available for you in the form of pills. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic pills are useful for those who want to burn belly fat permanently. It switch on the fat-burning hormone adiponectin and suppress CRP, which makes you obese and overweight. This makes you more energetic, feeling relaxed and even saves you from several health risks like cardiac arrest. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Its pros and cons. Pros: the ingredient of the product may produce fat-burning hormones. The product is 100% natural and safe and has no side effects. It powerfully destroys fat cells. No need for a personal trainer or dietitian to guide you. 100% money-back guarantee if the product does not work. It tastes delicious, and you will feel refreshed as soon as you drink it. Available at a reasonable price. Cons: not available offline, only available through the official website. The website has stated that this tonic should not be used during the pregnancy period. It may be harmful to the baby. What are the benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The benefits associated with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic include the following: energy level improvement, food craving control, metabolic boost, digestive strengthener, relieves stress, limits inflammation, improves sex drive. We are impressed with the wide variety of different benefits associated with this formula. Although it may seem unlikely that the same tonic can both improve energy levels and eliminate inflammation, a cursory look into the ingredient list of this supplement helps to make its case. With such a wide variety of different ingredients with their own effects, it should come as no surprise that Flat Belly Tonic can claim to help users improve their general health and wellness in so many ways. But losing weight comes with its own benefits, as we explained above. The best way to use this weight loss supplement is to take the tonic while also maintaining a balanced diet and exercising regularly. By taking this tonic regularly, once per morning, and maintaining a caloric deficit, users can significantly improve their efforts to lose weight. We generally advise consumers to target a weight loss of around 1 or 2 pounds per week. Anything more might become unhealthy, and physicians typically recommend 1 to 2 pounds to their patients in a clinical setting. If you experience too much weight loss while taking Flat Belly Tonic, decrease your dose and speak to a physician. How does Okinawa Flat Belly works? Taking this supplement couldn't be easier. Just mix the powder with water and drink it once per morning in order to experience the best results. The ingredients in this formula are meant to do 4 main things. First, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic seeks to help people improve their metabolisms to improve weight loss. Second, it works to improve overall energy and motivation. Third, the supplement aids indigestion. Finally, its safe and natural ingredients keep people as healthy and well as possible. Tonics like the Flat Belly Tonic are relatively common in the supplement industry. What seems to make this product stand out is its wide variety of ingredients and benefits. Some of the most popular supplement ingredients in the industry are being used in this supplement, and the combination of these ingredients can help consumers to improve their self-image in multiple ways. It is unlikely that this supplement will be able to help you lose weight on its own. No supplement can make people shed fat by itself. Additionally, you should know that the FDA has not approved any dietary supplement as a cure for high blood pressure, blood sugar imbalance, obesity, or any other illness. However, we will say that combining this tonic with a balanced diet and an exercise plan can help you to maximize progress on your weight loss journey. How to purchase Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement. The price of purchasing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic system will entirely depend on how much of the formula users want to buy at one time. The 6-bottle package. Conclusion: Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is more than just a supplement, but an entire system dedicated to improving health and triggering weight loss. There are other informative reviews about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic worthy of reading if not completely sold on this unique, one-of-a-kind drink recipe and weight loss powder solution. The formula can be used for as long as the user wants to keep taking it because the health benefits don't stop when they reach their weight loss goal. It is still essential to keep up with the healthy diet and exercise program, but the digital content provided will steer users in the right direction. Each blend delivers nutrients that most formulas do not prioritize, though their proprietary nature means that users are unsure over the amount they are getting from each ingredient. Check the link in description below to get Okinawa Flat Belly from original website.